Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel, New York Walks. Now, today we're going to be exploring Ann Street. So we're here by Broadway and Ann Street, Canyon of Heroes. Before we leave, guys, let me show you where I am. Let me show you where I am. So this is the famous Broadway of New York City. But today our destination is going to be Ann Street. Again, and there is a metal church, guys. Check it out. Looks like a Greek pantheon, literally. Ann Street, and we start the journey now. As you can see, the sidewalk is closed, but we can go to the side. This street is no longer maybe 2 or 3 blocks, guys. So it's not that long. But just like everything else, we're gonna follow the protocols. From left to right, or right to left, in this case. And now we go back to the sidewalk where we belong. Excuse me. Anyways, we keep walking. And check it out. That's coming up at Ann Street Theater Alley. It's only 1 block long, guys. See? Actually, I might be able to do it, man. But you see how narrow it is? Very, very narrow. And this is Moxie. I don't know what. I think it's a restaurant. Moxie restaurant. Ooh, that's a cute doggy. And we keep going. Now, let's see. That's the Claudio, like in audio, I guess. Spring. You know. There are a lot of business here, guys, but not, you know. Coming up at Ann Street. And this is Nassau Street, guys. Coming up at Ann Street, Nassau Street. Again, it's only 3 blocks long, guys. Only 3 blocks long. Let me see what they have in here. Maybe old buildings back from the 1800s. Imagine when the people from the Netherlands came, guys, and then the British took over. That's a long time, guys. That's almost like 300 years, so that's a lot. Check out the architecture up there, guys. See? I mean, they have no type of human or animal, but you know, it's just regular, you know, things here. Suckers and bagels. Blue Haven South. Again, this is a loft. I think it's a hotel. I think. But like I said, most of these streets here have history, and yeah, history. So we keep going, and again, you see, Pace University, just like New York University, they have a vast territory up there. Here, Pace University has a couple of blocks around here too, guys. So this will be the 2nd block. The next is the last and 3rd before we head back westbound again. Again, Pace University. Ooh, check it out, guys. A ramp. A round ramp. Let me go through here, guys. Check it out. Ooh, nice. But now we're getting off track. We go back on track. Coming up at Ann Street, and this is, what street is this? Coming up at Ann Street, William Street. William Shatner of Star Trek, guys. And this is the downtown medical building. Fine. Now, Again, these streets are really narrow, man. Imagine back in those days, 1800s, 1900s. Man. But you had like the blocks here, those brick things here. I forgot what they call them. I keep forgetting that. So basically, what I'm gonna do, let's go straight at. Let's go across the street and turn back around toward westbound. Just so you see how the streets of New York are, guys. Coming up at Ann Street, Gold Street. Ann Street, Gold Street. Now we go up. We pass here, guys. And then we head back westbound. And again, that is where Beekman Street continues back there in the pedestrian path. And this is Keste Pizza e Vino Gelato. Again, when we finish this avenue back there, guys, I want to go through. Now we head back westbound. Right now we are 7 minutes, guys. I think in 10 minutes, top peak. Coming up at Ann Street, William Shatner Street. The captain of the USS Enterprise, heading westbound. Mexico, Simón. That's my other country. Check out the inscriptions up there, guys. 50 Henry Allen, 50. See? That right there tells you it's been there for a long time, man. 100 more years, I guess. I don't know. This is WXYZ Lounge. Papaya Spa. Okay. As you can see, guys, construction here in New York City. Hopefully we won't sink the island, man, because there's so many buildings being put on here. Check it out. Check out the black vans, guys. Nice. 1, 2, 3, black. Coming up at Ann Street, Nassau Street, heading westbound. I gotta get me one of those, man. Whoa. And this is Skullface. Sounds like a metal band. Skullface. Sounds like a death metal band. And this is coming up at Ann Street, Theater Alley. Now, if I get a chance, I want to record this. But it's very small, but you know what? It will be cool to record it, man. Only because there's a truck back there. But once it leaves, we can come back and just record the whole thing. This is Mediterranean cuisine. Oh God, I'm sorry, excuse me guys. Man, I'm telling you, man, as you get older, your body starts doing some changes. Forget it, man. I hate to grow old, but hey, I got no choice. I'm already in this life, and if God wants me to, you know, whatever, you know, whenever He calls me, yeah. And guys, check it out. There's the big behemoth, guys. Oh, the King Kong. No. The King Kong building is up in Midtown. That is the gargantuan. This is the big behemoth, and the one in the 34th Street is the gargantuan, or the King Kong building. Okay, guys, coming up at Ant Street, Park Row. Thanks for coming with me on this journey, and I will see you all again somewhere in time. Bye.